My name is Aldo Sollazzo. So you said it correctly, actually, preferably. And I'm the founder of the Noumena Group. So this is a group of companies that are operating under the umbrella of this mother company in Jiménez. Three companies, La Máquina, that is our factory for 3D printing at a large scale, Puretech, which is our company for material technology, and Noumena Data, that is focused on spatial dynamics. Our goal is to combine data, material technology, and 3D printing to build a novel habitat, novel spatial ecologies that are informed by the integration of these technologies.
La Máquina. I mean, it's a very direct name, which I really like. But can you tell me a bit more about the story of the name?
We started with Noumena to think about something that is extremely connected to philosophy, and it's something extremely ethereal as a concept. La Máquina is exactly the opposite. La Máquina is coming from an idea of a machine that can turn ideas into physical object, can trace, or let's say, can drag into reality all these digital inputs that we are at the end exploring in different realms.
It's an interesting concept, and the synergy between both actually is very strong because you have this very conceptual sort of realm, which is Noumena, and then you have the very sort of technical, hands-on, let's make it happen, go through the Máquina.
We started Noumena with the idea of understanding how was it possible to integrate data into a new workflow that could be formed differently, design decision, and somehow embrace the complexity of our built environment into a new design protocol.
It's interesting when you set up your synergy. I'm going to circle back to this design element and engineering element that complements this sort of hands-on approach, experimental approach of making things, 3D printing objects with different materials, which we've done a lot of experiments. We're going to take a look at in the studio and downstairs in the fabrication lab. How important is the design aspect, the engineering aspect, before you actually go and 3D print something?
It's crucial. The engineering aspect into the 3D printing is, I would say, the key. And also, I think the reason why we are into this specific industry. So how we started to bring data into this new protocol and understanding how to numerically control the machine movement, translating morphological complexity into the fabrication process that could at the end bring into the physical world all the digital models that we were designing. So it is the base, it sets the foundation, and it becomes a protocol of understanding at a deeper level all the realities behind these pieces, so how they are connected, which are the logic of assembly, the protocol of assembly, the sequence of assembly, but not only that, also the packing, so how to reduce the space when everything is done and everything is fabricated, how to ship everything in, occupying the lowest possible space, and then put it in.
So the logistics of shipping actually play a part in the detailing of the object itself.
Absolutely.
Can you recall some of your most challenging projects? And can you tell us a bit more about the learning experiences of those challenging projects?
We did the first 3D printed shoe store in the Dubai Mall. It was a very nice, it is a nice interior space that is fabricated with 162 components, more or less 3.2 tons of material that we fabricated in less than 1 month with TMT. So it was really stressing the technology at that time, the state of the art technology, fitting into the timing of an industry that doesn't care. So the retail industry, for instance, is completely used for different timings, different budget and executions. And we started to learn that we could leave a mark in this industry. I would say that we opened few in this sector. Here, I would say, let me also commend the Spanish pavilion of the Expo Dubai. That was complicated at 3 different levels. So first of all, to win the proposal, we camera job pool and external. The second, implementing our material technology of Puretech in the timing, in the strict timing of a Dubai Expo.
Yeah.
So was really challenging. At the end, we produced 1,446 pieces for the Forest of Intelligence that Carmelo designed with his team of collaborators. More or less 6 tons of material of Puretech that constitute also another sense of ecology. So an ecology that is I would say combining innovation, material technology, and the use of fabrication.
Puretech is a material that absorbs carbon dioxide
Yeah.
from air.
Yeah.
How does it do that?
Is a protocol that we engineer and that we basically formulated across different sectors, from the polymer industry, so everything that also connect to injection molding, in the traditional plastic and pellets for 3D printing, to textiles. We are collaborating with the most important brands in the world of fashion and for the construction industry. So in the construction industry, we translate the material characteristic of tech for paint, concrete coating, wood coating, promoting this idea that a wall, like this gray wall, it doesn't have to be a wall; it can be a forest absorbing in CO2.
Interesting. What are the challenges and opportunities in the technology as you see it today, and how do you see it in the future?
There are many opportunities. Is I would say a new industry. I would say that now what was an intuition 8 years ago, not to say 10 years ago, becomes now a reality, and you can see by the number of companies that are acknowledging on a daily basis. It is also becoming more clear, thanks to our work and the one of our competitive colleagues in the field, how to apply, because this is what we are doing today. We are opening, we need a couple of companies that are working in this field with us. We are opening a new field. We are showing to the world that this is possible, and we are also somehow showing how this is possible. And evidently, this is possible through the combination of different expertise, from mechatronics, robotics, material engineering, computation, robotic fabrication, assembly. How all these, at the end, expertise can converge into a new product to build use cases.
I'd like to know a bit more about the projects that are in your pipeline right now, and what projects are you most excited about?
In the COP28, we are coming big with 2 installations that converge and are all the few thoughts about field test and the material capacity of this product. And I would say this becomes very important also of all the trajectory that we've been doing with Puretech in this in this industry, because we are not only opening a door for the 3D industry, we are fighting, and I would say this is a very hard fight with all the other industry to integrate material technology.
How do you see additive manufacturing contribute to the quality of life?
Well, by introducing bespoke solution, so understanding what it was a mantra for many years, but was a mantra that was still working at the conceptual level, that you need local solution for global problems. So how to integrate a local solution that might be driven by materials outside, by necessities that are different from the one of your people. Understanding at the end that everything can be enhanced by design.